Here's some examples of my Logisim simulated GPU. This is the Amiga logo done by a particle system. I didn't like the symbolism of the Amiga logo exploding, but the effect of gravity overcoming the initial velocity and direction of each particle is nice. Here's the famous PostScript tiger. I used a conversion program to convert the PostScript to the weird and very poorly documented TGIF format. Then wrote a conversion program to convert the TGIF file to my format. Here's an AutoCAD Star Trek Enterprise. Since it's vector graphics, you can scale up the text that was drawn. Here's an AutoCAD Space Shuttle. By the way, I coded these examples to show the drawing process rather than just the final image, so it would be clear it really is drawing rather than displaying a static image. Here's some vectorized SPICE circuits of an amplifier, a robot arm control circuit, and a Slayer exciter Tesla coil. I found a program to convert SPICE circuit files to SVG files. Then I wrote a program to convert from SVG to my formats. The coordinates are scaled down to fit on screen, but when not scaled down, the schematics look nice. I wanted to create a vector version of my CPU, which would have been so meta, but Logisim doesn't reliably export to vector formats. Here's a four-dimensional hypercube, also known as a tesseract. In case you haven't seen my CPU and computer design before, here's an overview of the parts of the simulated computer system. And here's the instruction set I designed for my CPU. View my related video for more on my Logisim GPU component, including Sprites and Blits, or to find links to download my GPU component.